Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Overcapture with the GoPro app and footage that you captured with your GoPro Max. So in the GoPro app, you're going to open up one of your 360 clips and you're going to press the button that triggers the keyframes. Now on this screen you could go ahead and start adding keyframes, but we're going to actually hit the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and this menu pops up and you see here is Overcapture. Now that we press that, the Overcapture recording is ready for us, so we're going to line up our camera and line up our footage where we want, do some alignment, zoom out a little bit. We could worry about trimming this clip later, but I'm going to go ahead and hit the record button for the Overcapture, and I'm going to follow the motion with my phone and frame this shot how I would like. So just moving around here, trying to keep myself centered in this footage. I'm going to zoom out a little bit just to get some more of the picture into this frame. Zoom in. Going to pan around just for an effect here. I'm going to go ahead and stop. So I'm going to hit the download button to save this reframed footage into the GoPro app. From there you could save it to your camera roll, you could share it, you could delete it and do it all over again. And that's pretty much it. Overcapture still exists with your GoPro Max, it's just you have to go into the submenu to find it. So hope that helps. If you like this quick short tutorial, leave a like. If you feel like subscribing, I do a lot of different kind of travel videos and GoPro videos and stuff like that. So if you're interested, have a look at some of my other videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.